y'all have met Andre Davis in another show with me. He is a wonderful young man, great baker, but I'm twisting his arm to see if he'd stay one more minute because I'm fixing to make a dessert.
And I'm excited.
And you're going to love the coffee cake recipe that he did. Okay, so we start by melting a stick of butter in our pan. Kind of sounds like we're starting like a gooey butter cake, doesn't it?
Oh, Lord. You're making me hungry for it.
Yes. Well, let's start with the crust, Andre. And I've got sugar. And I believe that's all purpose. Let me check. Yeah, it's all purpose. Well, that one is. Yeah. Because this is actually a base to our pumpkin buckle.
It's starting to smell like fall in here.
It is. Listen, you know, once those kids go back to school, it's Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
It's Christmas. All right. So now we're going to add our milk. If you want to mix that in for me.
Yes. Just pour it in?
Yeah. Just pour it in and mix. And while you're doing that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. So we got our pumpkin pie spice. That's gonna, and this is the way I measure vanilla.
Oh, you always got to add extra.
Yeah. It's like that baker's dozen, you know, you always get 13 donuts. You always get a little bit more vanilla out of Paula.
Yes, for sure.
All right, so we are waiting on our butter to melt. And it's in a 13 by 9 by 2 pan that we're gonna be baking this in. This is like a gooey butter cake recipe. You don't wanna stir. And our peach cobbler recipe. If you stir it, the ingredients together, it's not gonna work. So this is easy, simple, and delicious. So I'm just gonna distribute that in my, the pan's still a little hot.
Yep.
From melting the butter. All right, now, you know what? I'm gonna use this same bowl because it's all going to the same spot.
Exactly. That's what the best thing about these recipes are.
All right, so I'm gonna start by, whoops. See, I'm dangerous with ramekins. I'm dangerous. Okay, so we want to just slightly beaten that up. And we are using 3 cans of pumpkin.
That smells
You want to get that? Yes. That canned pumpkin really is good. And that's 3 15-ounce cans of pumpkin. And we have 1 cup of evaporated milk. And I love using evaporated milk in like macaroni and cheese.
Oh, yeah.
It just makes
it so creamy.
Okay. Got a bunch of spices in this. We've got, I think that's cinnamon. And this is a maple extract, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Salt, ginger, and Marianne, Actually, Mary Ann's just vanilla.
Sounds great.
All right, I'm gonna mix our baking powder with our sugar. And then we're gonna add our brown sugar, which is so good
Oh, yeah.
with pumpkin.
I think brown sugar is better than regular sugar any day.
It's good.
I love molasses. What about you?
Molasses is a little strong for me.
Really?
Uh-huh. It's a little strong for me, but I wouldn't turn it down.
On a good biscuit?
Yes, yes. My family loves cane syrup with their biscuits. Okay, so that's all we do. And we just gently pour that on top of what's gonna be our crust. And then we go sprinkle it with some extra sugar and dot it with butter. So if you're ready, I'm ready.
All right. I think we've got it all incorporated.
Uh-huh.
Just pour it over that.
Yes. Just distribute it as easily as you can. Pumpkin buckle, y'all. That's perfect. All right, so now I'm just gonna sprinkle it with sugar. It's evaporating so quick I can't tell if I'm doing it even.
It sure is.
Make sure we get some on the crust part. Okay. Yes, we're ready for you. We're gonna just dot it with a little more butter. You wanna help me, Andre?
Sure will.
Thank you.
Put some.
Be twice as fast.
Oh, yeah. Just like that.
Perfect. Do not stir. Do not stir. It's still a little warm, Teresa.
Well, it's been in the oven.
Yes, I mean, it's warm. You want some?
No, I got it.
Okay, you tough. She's as tough as shoe leather. That girl is. And that's a good thing. Y'all can still hear it bubbling.
Oh, yeah. Hear all that nice crackle?
Hear it, Eddie? Wow. Oh, we left a little drop of pumpkin
Well,
on there.
good. Now we have a little treat.
Yes. All right, let's see. I don't know if we're going to be able to taste this or not, Andre.
Well, I think we're just going to have to manage and do it.
I think this will cut real good after it's cooled.
Yes.
Perfect for the fall of the year.
Oh, yeah. It sure is.
Smells wonderful.
You like it?
That's good.
It's so hot.
Yeah, it is.
It's almost worth it to burn your mouth.
It is.
So good, y'all. Well, Andre, I know you got a 6-hour drive, honey, that you've got to make. And you've been so kind to be willing to do all this in one day.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
So you got to get back on the road.
Sure do.
But you'll promise me you'll be back.
Yes, I sure will.
I'm going to count on it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.